All right, welcome back. Now, before the break, we did talk about Halima Abubakar, Nollywood actress, where they'll come outside talk, say she did pay attention to people wey not the clap when she win. Now, according by her, she talks say a lot of fake friends they for inside the movie industry, and she knows say these friends she actually know them because they block her way to achieve betterness. So she actually avoid friends like this. Now, I ask this question: must everybody be happy with your success?
No.
Because according by Halima, she's perfect because she says she celebrates everybody where you don't achieve something.
She be Mother Christmas.
In her own words,
but you get somebody will be Mother Easter.
In her own words, she say, I often celebrate others, and I dey aware say not everybody if be like me. So it means that she's perfect. She celebrates every other person.
As in, let's talk about it. But from waiting Halima don't talk, first of all, I go say, with that particular statement where she makes, she not the first enemy of herself. Because first of all, she needs to understand, say, no be everybody go dey happy with you. No matter how good you dey, some people go still see your good as bad.
Thank you.
That's not number one. And then when you come begin, they call the people, the so-called people where you say they beef you or no, they clap for your success, you can't they call them your friends, then it means say you still get another issue
you have
again.
A problem, yeah.
It means say you not differentiate between those where be your friends and those where they do boju for you. You got one parable where they say mosquito they tell the pikin say, and not be everybody will clap for you, wish you well. Because as mosquito, when they clap for you, then they try to kill you. So Halima herself too needs to realize that not everybody where they celebrate with her, actually they happy for her success. So sometimes even the ones where they celebrate with you, where you feel say their celebration they're genuine, you actually need to look at them and question the kind way they celebrate it. You say, why you not even why you not even do you say now only this guy? Because you got some people say, wait, you say when they succeed and go to say, but waiting happen Queen Bee, now only you.
True.
Now only you blessing they come your way. In a normal human reaction, not be say that necessarily hates you or anything. And then Halima now,
Sisterly, you don't realize say she opened can of worms now, and they go come at you. But you know what? If she did very important, like she thinks say she did. You understand? If she did very important, like she thinks she did, because you need to convince yourself say you did very important before another person go see you, and you need to carry yourself as important as you are, not minding who celebrates you or who celebrates you to become that person where you be. Now, when you go on top stage, what you supposed to look? You supposed to look the days where you they beg for scripts to act. You supposed to look, say, finally, it don't come pay. You supposed to look, say, oh, I even still stand amongst the living, not the dead. Because they still give people award for that side. You go see the look, say...
Maybe you know. You don't live there before you know to give them award.
You know that award?
No, come on. You suppose they look, say, I know they for hospital. People come visit me. So you celebrate yourself. Like you talk, now low self-esteem, and say she get problem personally. I go event say I no clap for you.
No mean say
I hate you. Yes. But maybe we know I don't even like your style, or I know me and you our style. Somebody I feel just sit down now. I go to say, you know what? No, put me inside that music video with Betiana. No. Come on.
Not even matter of the style.
Why? No. Maybe because you sabi pass me. Do you understand? Not take my shine. I won't get my own space, you get your own space. That one I want. Then when you can't get too many enemies, you yourself na enemy to people. So you go,
your own self, so like
people once you be enemy to people, you be enemy to yourself because you will hate yourself, hate the people. And maybe she didn't mind what, maybe she won't trend, and we actually talk about her now because it don't take where she know just there anyway from where she won't kill herself, people where they owe her, blah, 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 and now she don't come to people when you, but we celebrate the little one where you don't do these small things, and not be everybody like her style of acting. Like me, I not be a fan of acting.
Now when you not be a fan of acting, yes, if you go award show now and then they give them award.
I could imagine what she do.
Say you not clap, not mean say you hate her. It just mean say you get your own preference.
Yeah.
Now, for me, I also feel say people where they actually know say enemies, they get insecurity problem.
Now, yes.
And she actually gets 100%.
Yeah.
Because for you to come outside and say, they pay attention to those who not clap, it means say you know they secured your own self. You go just sit down, they develop enemies by your own self.
Me say even they jobless. Because if you get what they do, you not go even they look the people where they hate you.
Thank you.
Because they're jobless.
Because on the way to success, surely there are people where you not actually like the way they succeed. There are people where they like the way they succeed, but they not can't tell you, but they won't actually reach that particular level where you did. It don't mean say you go need to pay attention to this kind of people. Just keep on doing what they do. Have we ever heard Genevieve or Motola where we not say they are
the people
get enemy? Come outside and say,
I pay attention to those when they clap. Genevieve not even get your time. Actually, they hustle, they so come to the top.
And
like,
when she did less busy, take chill, celebrate family,
My
relax, go
sister.
spa, enjoy, relax,
Life is short.
and forget about this. So because when you they come, well, when I no come together, and even twins, everybody carrying own placenta.
Show me anybody for this world who will not get enemy.
Everybody.
Even Jesus Christ get enemy. When they nail him to the cross. Obama, what did that? He get enemy. Dangote richest man, he get enemy too.
Nigeria
of
too
our
get-
top.
Oh, we get enemy. So,
Nigeria itself getting
so
one
I go sit
enemy.
down and talk say, cotton. I know say cotton are my enemy. So I'm going to deal with that cotton.
You think cannot be the height of joblessness? with
It
us?
is the ultimate, my darling.
Ultimate.
It just shows that
But
I'm
like
very
I talk,
jobless,
I
and
think
I
I
get
want to be
insecurity
on the
problems,
news.
and I be my own enemy. Because if you be your own enemy, you're not going to sleep for night. And I remember one time when she come outside, thought say she not dey sleep for night. Because you are busy.
Every time she won't buy herself with that.
You know what? You go event. They'll say
This
chop.
girl
You say,
get- no
no,
get
I'm not going
you.
to chop. That's the poison.
And everybody busy, they chop. And you just say, no, who cook am? That woman I cook am, no.
No.
I know her girls. You get one of the girls where they look me one kind.
And she not like-
That non so the way they act. I know-
Mike is right. The last time that he touched me like this, he pinched me where that guy hates me.
For me, now real life issues because a lot of people they actually always see enemies. A lot of people they always see enemies. Now, when you start to see enemies, then you need to check yourself because there is nobody on the way to success. There is nobody when not will get enemies.
Yeah.
Pay less attention to them and keep on moving.
Moving.
Now, when you stop, say, hey, this person are my enemies. Then you don't give yourself distraction.
Yes.
And I
Don't
think
give
maybe
yourself
because of the time where she they give to the enemy and whatever, and I make her no put more efforts to do better. Maybe she take lead for
I tell
some.
you, and
like
with this talk,
ones
the
who
enemy
don't-
goes to clap now.
They say, she don't talk and
We're
we
gonna
don't
clap
clap.
back. We're gonna clap back.
All right, now moving on from Alima Abubakar. Please, darling, pay less attention to them, I beg. Please, just keep on doing what they do. We go enter Solid Star. Now, popular singer Solid Star, he don't decide to take some time off to chill and relax.
Chinchilla.
Now, during this relaxation period, Solid Star indulged himself for inside what they call
Shisha.
Shisha. And he composed the video of himself on top Instagram. They do waiting, they take this particular thing, so whether they call Shisha. And he can write the caption, grateful to God always for the gift of life.
Yeah.
And as Solid Star, they relax and they take chill. A lot of Nigeria not get
They don't
time
get
for chill. They don't get time at all. They are ready to give you as if they hot. Anyone when you give them, they will give you back.
Yeah.
Now people come, they actually attack him. One person right say, tomorrow, you go to look for who to support you to raise money for transplant. For transplant. What are you grateful to God for? Better take yourself seriously. I go read all the comments of people, right? Another person talk say, Chijoke_cartoon talk say, gratitude with Shisha. At Official Solid Star, you guys should have a life worthy to emulate. Worthy for people to actually follow. Another one, right, says, Sidney Shocker all the way from Benin, right, say, laugh at lad, Solid Star, hope you they save for kidney, wahala de, tongue out. Another one, right, say, grateful to God, why taking Shisha? Una not they fear God at all, but lie. Another person, right, say, like, seriously, and you are so proud to put this up, and still thanking God for the gift of life.
Hey, whoa.
One say you don't seem grateful. Another one say you thanking God that they actually smoke. So
Come on,
you see,
Nigerians.
You see, say
Come
Nigerians
on.
not actually get shield at all.
Come on.
Now, I just want to ask another question. You feel the celebrities need to know waiting they put on social media,
Okay, but we
especially
wait.
as them be role models.
I go vex for this one. And I don't know how many people they vex with me right now. Talking about Shisha. Shisha no be cigar, no be alcohol. You know, get the tobacco flavor day if you want, but it get, you know why they take Shisha? To hit you up, and it's taking more during Harmattan period. Get it straight. Go do your research before you write anything about Shisha. I get Shisha for house. As a married
So
woman,
you they take her
I take her.
flavored. Not
Sorry.
smoke, oh, sister.
No, come on. Now
still smoke, oh.
Not be smoke, now warm. Oh, sorry, sister. If you
okay.
never know, anytime you come my house, I go put them on.
And I go take
when
am.
it's no, you know the total. You know when you boil water, boil hot water, you know the
Steam.
steam as they
The
come
steam,
outside. I will make you put. I promise you. I'll make when I on them. I'll make the smoke touch your hand, when you see am na water,
Can
it
I also
melts
tell you
and
something?
it hits you up because when
they
you are
find out,
cold.
say, even taking energy drinks will actually lead you to cancer.
Yes.
What if they
Yes.
talk this particular steam where they talk about? So
Okay, but what's in there inside? Except, and
Yeah,
I tell you,
something.
like people like Timaya, because now waiting Timaya I take last week with that where it was a chilling on a Monday morning because you know get 5 to 6 job
6
where
to
the
9.
whole Nigerians lynch on them. The same thing. Come on, take a chill.
I-
If you don't know what
I-
it shall be,
I-
ask, make inquiries, and you shall know.
Queenie,
Nah.
I agree with you to an extent.
Yeah.
But when you enter Igboro for inside Obodo here,
Yeah.
that's time you go here, say a lot of Nigerians don't turn shisha
mix
from
am.
waiting in B to waiting in not supposed be.
Of
a lot
course,
of
yes.
people they put some kind hard
Yeah.
substance
Yes.
inside them now.
So those ones wey want
So
take
because
drugs.
of waiting I don't see, now based on that one, now in the fans they actually
But
attack
secondly,
Solid
again,
Star
when
now.
make I go on
And
the fans.
and
Wait
for
till-
me, I don't
Let
side of
her
the fans
finish.
because I get feeling. I know if you guarantee because I know they there,
Yeah.
but I get feeling. Say person like Solid Star.
No, come on.
You go mix them.
Nah.
Come
Come
on.
on.
Come on.
Solid,
Come
Solid,
on.
not a
Is it
machine.
that-
I know
is it that
Solid.
sister husband?
You know now your husband.
No, but
Sorry,
now
you don't know.
okay, now my brother.
Now your mama born am.
No,
be
my
your
brother.
brother.
My brother.
You deal with him that day when they take her.
No. I know, like what I talk at first when I dey make my comment, I say some people they put things inside. But when you they talk about shisha in general, that's now what I talk.
I understand the one in general.
But come on. The people where they haven't get the kidney issue, how many of these people where they talk, they part of the kidney thing? I beg.
So in they grateful
How
to God
many?
saying they sit down, they smoke them.
Shisha
he
no
put
be
caption.
crime.
No,
Hello?
but he put caption say in they grateful to God.
For the gift of life, and Jesus Christ, the God way that is a Christian, the God way create am, no come for the people where they righteous. It
Okay,
come
now
for
the
those
sinners.
ones where they
So Solid Star is a sinner.
where acknowledge. No, because now people they tag am.
See, the
No,
truth, all of us be
now
sinners,
people
whether
they
we
tag
smoke
am.
shisha or we
we don't
smoke
smoke,
hot
we are
water.
already
All of us
Come on,
now
take
sinners.
a chill,
But
Nigerians.
for me, I understand say Nigerians don't get chill at all, especially when it comes to social media and they are blasting.
Yeah.
But
And
then
whoever
again,
give them this freedom really try.
no, but then again, then get the freedom because at the end of the day, now them still make you be who you be.
No, come on,
No,
but
when we
you don't
face that
take me
fact,
up and bring me down, then don't follow
that
me.
is life. So if then take you up, if you decide say you don't want to come down, then you make sure
So
say
how
you
do you
don't
stay
get the
there?
level.
How do you stay there?
Be a role model.
Hide
No,
and do
no,
it
she
in
don't talk am.
secret.
No, she don't
Then
be a role
model.
be like
Yeah.
Bill Cosby. Excuse me. Be like Bill Cosby. When you come on stage, you are all the fine daddy.
Excuse
but at
me.
the backstage,
Bill
you make
Cosby
people
don't
cry.
they sue them? Don't they sue the ladies where talk say in they actually
Well,
meet them? So we don't
tomorrow-
know the story behind them.
Okay,
For
we,
me, whether Bill Cosby
on
sue
Sunday
or he
watch
no
crime
sue.
investigation. Make you see the women confession and they get truths to back them up. Make you
Eh,
sue them. or
what
not.
truth do they have to back it up?
Yeah, they get their truths.
Whether
Alright.
because we sue or because we no sue, for me, no fire without smoke. So
Yeah.
I feel say out of the 100 or how many
Maybe
women, at
3.
least one.
Uh-huh.
No, but I not even talk three, at least one.
Uh-huh.
Go there responsible.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
that's one issue. I know they talk about Bill Cosby. And they talk about Nigerian celebrities
Solid
and
Star in
Nigerian
person.
fans.
What would they talk
and
about?
Solid Star in
Stop taking it
question.
personal.
So for
No.
me,
No, you know
go
why? Because I
say-
get shisha for house.
See,
For me, I
that
go
shit,
say
I'm taking it out of your house.
that's your business.
Wow.
For me, I go say Solid Star actually need. I don't go really say because I be advocate of say if they attack you on social media, no answer. But it gets a point where people go reach.
No, but he
now,
will not answer.
Yeah, I know say you
Nah,
no go
come
answer.
on.
But now you need to watch the things where you go put up because number one, a public page,
Yeah.
and you be public person, you be public figure.
Yeah.
So if the people where they follow you decide say okay, they don't want to see that kind of thing, then you need to give them what they are. It be like your market. If they decide say they don't want a Shayo song, you go need to go back to the drawing board, write inspirational song where then go appreciate.
They don't want
so the same thing.
inspirational. You give them street.
You go give them
You give
motivational.
them as-
If there's no
as-
one
as they
motivational,
trend.
you go give them love. If there's no one love, you
So
give
if
them
you know
wedding.
the-
You go find the one where go share sweet their belly one time somehow. Sha. So this one too, you need to
Nigerians.
actually find what go sweet their belly for on top social media. Not really, and they me
No.
self, they don't they
See,
attack
not
me
be
on social
about
media.
sweet your belly.
So
Yeah.
you need to arrange yourself. Solid Star. You need to arrange yourself.
worry, Solid
What
Star.
are all these?
No, he has
What?
been here before now, right?
Yes, so
Yes.
I'll go still
But
bring
the
them
thing
back.
be
Make it defend
now
this thing.
talking about it, nobody is perfect. You
No,
feel,
nobody's
if you say
perfect.
you just want to post a picture, you don't say you go actually make Nigerians vex.
No be the intention.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
understand? Not be the intention what you actually
yes.
get. And
Sometimes
that
you just want
aside.
to let loose and be yourself.
Like you, your own. You
Nah.
post. You just want to be yourself.
I just want to be
People say
myself.
insulting you.
Come on.
Okay,
I'm
now
a
I'll let
good
you.
person.
I am.
No, you go post money.
That's a what? I want feel what you those celebrities they feel they carry money. Them Harrison,
So how you can't feel?
Casey, because
She don't talk about
nothing.
that, no.
I
You
know
don't feel
that's
anything?
nothing.
Wow.
You know we increase the money rather even.
That's why I saw Beard home with dirty notes. That is not portraying our country in
Now
good
the
light.
picture,
No.
in the picture where you take, you not take
The
am well.
room.
No,
You know?
the notes they dirty. Don't squeeze. No be
Not
the
my
picture.
period, please. But for me, celebrity just
Wow.
need to take am easy. With
Yeah.
the
And
people that
the
they
fans
post
to
online.
need
See,
to take a chill
You
pill.
see what in the
They
video
go
do
they sell am a
recently?
chill
He
pill.
actually vex come outside say, in short, I actually support the social media bill. Let it come outside.
Who
Now,
talks
one
about-
person, when not so the video
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
say
yeah.
that woman say she get belle for him. So he don't come outside vex say, now when person don't die on top this one, now una go know say una need to chill abi Nigerians. In short, let them pass the social media bill because people don't they misuse social media.
And
Say tomorrow
Nigeria
nothing.
now-
Oh no,
was
concerning
fast.
that, I really agree because I
agree
met one
too.
actress recently for one movie premiere
I
and
agree.
we talk at length and she did very bitter. I'm not gonna mention her name, but she said
Tatiana,
social
before you
media
talk about
don't
that one, we
cause
need
a
to
lot
actually buy a
of
small break.
things, a
Yeah, we'll
lot-
talk about social
a
media,
lot
but
of
we need to buy a
things.
small break. Now, when we come back after the break, we'll talk small, a little bit about social media and then we'll read letter from the viewers. Stay with us.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.